You can turn over now, Mr. Ghana. Hello, Toby.
Woman, sit. Woman, for what reason did you wake me up from my slumber? Speak!
Busumuru, Atamanche, Togbe Gala Fia Ingbaji, Jakpata Bede Vime Hianko, Ohuno Bibrim. Forgive my intrusion, but I need your help.
Chaka, Olaje, Ohewale. You mean you've lost your power?
It's about a man. I can't seem to get him out of my mind.
You've allowed another person into your life. You've lost it.
I keep having recurring dreams about him.
Get deep behind me, Satan. You are having an encounter with a lion manifest as a man. The lion man that hunts you is strong. To fight him, you must be stronger. Arise!
But I don't want to fight him. I love him.
Love is war.
Yes, Amma.
Yes, Kokui. Oh, that's right. I took a bit of some time off. How's business?
Terrific. I'm even making sales online more than in the shop now.
Great. You're fully plugged in.
Yes.
You've gone global.
All thanks to you, Amma.
You're too kind.
But I want more. I want to be an online shop that sells clothing, accessories, etc.
Wow.
Yes. But when can I come in? I would like you to help me with this one as well, so everything can go on smoothly.
Okay. Just hold on a moment. Let me check my schedule. Okay. Friday is available, so you can come in on Friday. Okay?
Okay, okay. Get me. Yeah, well, listen.
I've been able to put 20 women together who will gather and process the shea butter to my specifications.
Wow. My sister, that is great.
Yes. I got back from the north yesterday with the last flight.
That's fantastic.
And you, that look on your face. What have you been up to?
Nothing. I've just been hard at work preparing for the battles ahead.
Other battles are what battles?
My sister, you take everything at face value. And yeah.
Hey, sister.
Yes. You don't even know what is happening underground. Listen, me, I will not sit down and let anybody take what is mine. I will fight for everything that is mine. Na dia no eye media me kuna maji. Na nya media ma me peso a me di takashi meje.
What are you talking about?
Anyway, I have all my plans in place. So everything is set for the action ahead.
Train.
Joanna no. Eh, we need to pay say we di loto bi.
Loto for the sanka with nyame ase. Messi girl. Marian, mine puso. I have finished her.
Rade obiba. Na one we nyane say.
Oh, unless I'm too no girl be. Not doing the bottom challenge. She doesn't know no Messi has trained me. Why should my basana? Sister, I'm so I can come. Come. Where are you off to? Solutions, I guess. Hey! And coffee was what you know that sound well.
Juju. Me. I just morning say me mama share and Josa.
Then the question becomes, what are you looking for over there? Abade pan e hwehwe wo.
Afa no we bisa asem. You should have asked that initially.
Oh, talk of the devil. Now I know.
Now you know what?
The man is your target, eh? It's when you're the cost of chemical woman. And the ground is so
Your mind. You think we are all like you, eh?
What is the difference? Is it the heels, the suits, or what? Our lash collection.
Madam. Hi, darling. How are you? Where's everyone?
Madam just left for a meeting. Do you have an appointment?
No.
Well, maybe Mr. Ghana can help.
Nah, don't bother him. I was just in the neighborhood and I thought to pass by and say hello. Here. These are some kitchen items, all made in Ghana.
Wow, that's really nice of you. Thank you. I'll tell Madam.
Don't mention. I'll be on my way now. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.
You are old enough to get your own car. Please, come on. Oh, go and get your own. That was close.
Let no man see the content of this box.
I still can't believe you're on this wild goose chase. The guy is somebody's husband, for Christ's sake.
Well, you don't know what I felt. It was mutual.
Are mutual? Eradina na nyankopo ne bonsam kra ba bet na menyanko mu mapadojo obi no kun fininse mu dendin na rade yetubo tutu mamae jamo from asam na reka kire me no. Stop the childish talk. You have the hearts for him? Big deal. Get over it. Get over it, menyanko.
Well, that's where you have it all wrong. You must follow your heart sometimes. There is love.
Kokui, Jameladina Ria no. Jakrana yenyansa bidi mama coming mama nyama men kakra pode bia nyansa pode nyibi. Kokui, you can't continue with this tomfoolery. You can't.
Oh, insults, huh? Thank you. Oh, I feel my guts out here, and all you can do is insult and laugh at me. Someone's emotions. Do you think this is a joke? George Bansa?
Yes.
George Bansa, so you're in this country?
I am.
Wow. Why are you acting like you don't know me?
I'm sorry, who are you?
Wow.
Kokui, we were just about to see the bouncers off. We'll be with you in a very short.
Hi, my name is Lydia. I can't help but ask, how do you know my husband, George?
I'm sorry, but why don't you ask him? If he's man enough, he will tell you.
Madam Kokui. Why, Melissa, you're always embarrassing me. I don't understand.
Kokui, I thought you were a trifle hostile towards our clients earlier on, though.
I know. And I'm so sorry, Amma. I had no business confronting him like that. Especially since I allowed him to use me.
Use you? How?
It happened about 5 or 6 years ago. We dated briefly.
You dated?
About 6 months thereabout. And then he had to travel. He didn't even send a postcard. It was as if he fell off the surface of the planet. And I was pregnant.
Pregnant? And he didn't even make you out?
So now you see why I was that livid upon seeing him.
I'm sorry, does he know? Did you have the baby?
How would he know? When he cut off all forms of communication with me. And about his son, yes, I kept him. He lives with my mother.
A son? Oh, well, I guess that's life. You meet the good, the bad, and the ugly. Kokui, I'm so sorry this happened to you.
It's fine. It's all water under the bridge now. And like you said, it's life. Anyway, let's get back to something more exciting, shall we? Yeah. You look well. You look positively glowing. You look like you're living the best part of this life, Amma. What's the secret?
Our vacation was uber relaxing. I feel revitalized for
Oh,
life.
don't tease me, Amma. Please tell me all about it.
Buy me lunch sometime and I just may.
Okay, I will. Anyway, back to why I'm here. These are the accessories I was telling you about. I would like us to add it to the page. And my new brand of perfume. I would like us to put it on the website as well. Yes. You should smell it. It smells divine. What I need right now is a strong advertising campaign to push it. You should smell it. It smells divine. And oh, I have a new corporate Momo number now. I would like us to put... I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
No, it's not your fault. You know what? Just leave the bottle. I'll put together an effective marketing plan for you, okay?
Oh, but I can't leave you like this. Was it something you ate? You're still rubbing your tummy.
Kokui, you don't let up. It's the little one.
Little one.
You're pregnant! Oh my God, Amma, that's wonderful news! Congratulations! Thank you.
I'm sure Kofi must be on top of this world.
You have no idea.
Oh, Amma, congrats! I know.
What were you on?
Come on, what is it?
Babe, my stomach.
What?
Shooting pain.
No. No. We're not losing this one.
Oh, Jesus.
Hello, dog. Let me try to get him. This is an emergency, please. I'm sorry.
Solution